Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price line is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance that we have here at $1.90 that has been previously working as a support here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. You can see we got few rejections here and now the price line is struggling to break out. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several hours, the price line is trying to break out this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for ApeCoin that I shared a few days ago on 4th of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 40% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for ApeCoin that I shared on 4th of Feb 2024. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move that ApeCoin was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for a slight more drop, and once it will be entered within this price range, then we can expect the next reversal to the upside from there. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down, completed the leg, slightly more down than this potential reversals on here, and they covered back very soon. Then we had almost 40% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of ApeCoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after March 2022, it is moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern. We can see we had rejection here and several ejections here and few more ejections here. We had a bounce here, and bounce here, and finally we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Before the breakout, you can see that for a few weeks, it had been testing the support of $1.20, and now it is struggling to break out the next long-term resistance of $1.90. You can see that for several weeks, this $1.90 has been breaking as a resistance, as support here. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here. And now again, price line is trying to break it out. And at the same time, we also have another downtrend line resistance here as well. You can see for several weeks it has been breaking as a resistance here, and now the price line is also trying to break out this downtrend line resistance as well. And after breaking out these two resistance, I am expecting an imminent move to the next long-term resistance of $3.10. In fact, this is a complete resistance zone from $3.10 to $4 that had been previously working as a support zone here. You can see we had a long spike inside this support zone. We had a nice bounce. We had another bounce, another bounce, another bounce. And after the breakdown, now it can work as a strong resistance. And once the price line will be reached there, then it will be quite difficult for the price line to break it out. However, we will still need to break out this resistance zone even after breaking out this wedge in order to continue this rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.